Good evening, Rhonda. Yeah, there's something I want to say. Even if it's gonna break your heart. There's something I want to do. Even if it's gonna tear your world apart. What we gotta do is keep our love going on. Straight away out. Straight away out. You know the fight back really fast. But the promises you made, something's gonna last. And something's always fade. With a very first sound, when you reach your destiny, straight away out, straight away out. What about the truth? Has anyone tried the truth? What about the truth? Yeah, the dirt's on my shoes. It's just the same for you and me. Some you win, some you lose. Nothing ever comes that easy. So we better